7,203,008.
Say it again, please. Come again.
7,203,008.
And 8. So what did you say was confusing you? You see, we just ignored all the other ones that came after 203,000. Why? Because, well, essentially, it's not as if they don't exist, but there are no numbers there that we can call. So we just put what? And 8. Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So which is there any other place where the zeros happen that confuses you? Maybe let's try another number.
No.
Let's try
Okay.
this. Take a look at this.
Okay.
All right. So can you read out this number for me?
15,007,102.
Okay. Okay. So if there's no doubt, if you can handle the numbers that come in the thousand side, the hundred and 100,000 side, tens of thousands side, then you can handle anyone. That nothing should confuse you.
Now I'm not confused anymore.
Okay. So after numbers and numeration and notation, what's the next topic?
Look. Multiplication of numbers.
Multiplication of numbers. Okay. Examples. Give me examples of questions that were put.
Solve questions including like we use the column method and grid method to
Okay.
type
Okay. Okay. Yeah, they taught you those grid method things,
column
right?
method and grid, yes.
All right. So go ahead, annotate and do a question for me with the grid method.
68 times 14.
68 times 14.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So using grid method, how do we go about it? Over to you.
Okay. Should I annotate?
Yes, go ahead and annotate. But use thinner lines for the numbers, though.
Okay. I can't draw a straight line in this thing.
You can't, okay, you need help with drawing a straight line.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
That's why I'm using smart pen.
Okay. Okay, so now the question is this: how do you know that there will be a grid of 9 squares?
Because both of the numbers have
2 digits, right?
yes.
Okay. All right, so go ahead. Let's see what you have. So that's representing 68. And that's representing 14. Okay. Okay.
10
So
times 60, 600.
okay. 600.
10 times 2, 80.
10 times what?
Wait, 10 times 8, I mean. 80.
Because I was just wondering whether you are listening to yourself. When you said 10 times, I was seriously wondering.
4 times 6, 240. 4 times 8,
Yes.
32.
All right.
Then now do 680, 600 plus 80, which is 680.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying my best to write.
Okay. Effort is not bad at all.
Yeah. All my lines are so crooked. 240. Look at how crooked this is. Maybe I'll have an award for the crooked for the most crooked handwriting.
Well,
Don't you think so?
if you
On
ask me, I don't
Microsoft
think the
Paint.
handwriting is bad.
On Microsoft Paint.
It's legible as long as you can see what is
Okay.
being written. I think it's okay.
True.
So 240 plus 32 will give you what?
272.
272. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
That too was wonderfully wonderful. Okay. So what's the next deal?
680 plus, no, 680 times.
Times
two.
again.
And they're joking, that was plus.
Okay. All right. So that'll give you
8, 15, 5, carry 1, 2 plus 6,
8.
952.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice one. Now let me ask you a question. Well done. Let me ask you a question.
What?
This method, right?
Yes.
Versus the
Yes.
normal method that you know. You know this method now. You know this method of
Yes.
saying
Yes.
68.
Column.
No, not colon. Is that colon method? This one.
Yes. Yes.
This one that you do
I
like
like
this.
this one. Yes, I like this one better. It's easier for me. 4 times 8, 32, right? 2 carries 3. 4
yes.
times 4 times, right? 2 carries
6.
3.
4 times 6 is
4
24.
times 6 is 24 years. Then now write 27. Then now then now do like hashtag. Yes. Then now 1 times 6 is 68. Then now add 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 8, 5, 2. Then now do 1, carry 1. 2 plus 6, 8. Then I'll write 9, 8 plus 1, 9.
Yes. Yes. Now,
That
you know
method
the
is
question now?
faster for me.
Yes. Now, let me ask you a question. Why do you think they taught you guys grid method? Can you do you have any
If you don't know column, you at least have another method to use.
Okay, but do you think it will be advisable to use grid method in an exam like common entrance?
It doesn't really matter.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Maybe they could specify and do
Now,
what, wait, let me see. Write this thing in using grid method. Write this in using column.
okay. Okay, great. If they do that, yes, I agree with you. But guess what? Common entrance, they will never ask you to show your working, but they expect you to be fast. Yes, they expect you to be fast. So guess what? I bet you, if you are, no matter how fast you are with this grid method, unless you find a way to be extremely fast, anybody that uses column method will always beat you to it.
Exactly.
Always beat you to the answer in record time. Always.
Because all you have to do is let me annotate. All you have to do is because you know how to spend your precious time having to draw this thing, the squares.
Exactly.
Then now 4 times 8, 32,
Exactly.
right? To carry 3. 4 times 6. Even if the person is a slow writer, he can beat you.
Of
4
course.
times 6 and 24. 24 plus 3, 27.
Yes, yes, yes. That is very, very true. So
There.
I think it's just like you said,
Then now
it just gives you an
8.
option, right? It just gives you options. It doesn't mean
Yes.
that you should use that in a
You have to use.
situation
Yes.
when you need to be fast. Okay. So I think we can move on to another topic. Is there any other topic after this?
Let me check. Before I didn't understand column. Multiplication with word problems. Problems with word problems.
Okay.
Problems.
What problems, right?
Yes. I stopped
Okay.
annotating because the screen looked blank. Come on, I'm pressing okay. 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 This okay button isn't working.
What
I'm
happened?
holding one. When he says this meeting is being recorded, I'm trying to press OK, but it's not working.
Because you are still annotating, you have to close the annotation this thing.
Oh, wait.
You have forgot to.
I think so. Sorry.
Has it?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Wait, what I could have done was boom, then I'll boom. And I'll still be annotating.
Mm. Mm. Okay, so you said the next topic is what again?
Ding. Multiplication with word problems.
Okay, do you have an example there?
Let me see. Oh, I need a stand up. Notation and numeration. How did you get this answer? How did you get this answer? Answer. What would be the total number of berries from 54 boxes if one box has 108 berries?
Okay. Okay. So what would you do in that scenario?
I'll use color method.
Okay. Yeah. Column method. What are you going to be multiplying by what?
108
By
times 54.
Did you notice something? You placed
What?
the one that had 3 digits on top, while you placed the one that had 2 digits under. Do you know that is a skill in itself for you to know which one to place on top and which one to place under? Do you know that?
Nope. It's
Okay.
a skill.
Yes, it's a skill for you to remember that, oh, the one that has more digits should be on top. The one that has fewer digits should be down.
Some of my friends don't do that. Some of my friends don't do that. Before they didn't do that. What time is it?
Okay. So you see, the whole idea
Namely,
is this.
one
If you
person marries you.
just imagine, can you just imagine if you had placed 108 underneath and 54 on top, what would have happened?
You give me the wrong answer.
Well, no, it's not giving the wrong answer, but it will be longer because you will now have 3 steps. You understand?
Okay.
You have 3 steps under that place that you're just having only 2 under. You will now have 3 steps. So you don't want that kind of thing to happen.
5. 5. 5 times 0 is 0.
Yes.
4. Then now 5. 2, 3, 8, 5.
Always draw your final
5, 8,
line now.
3, 2.
Draw your final line. If you don't draw the final line, the thing looks, thank you. It looks a bit messed up without that line. Okay, so the answer is what? 3,000. No, no need.
5,000.
5,000. Sorry, 5,000. You see, your handwriting almost confused me. 5,832.
It's
Okay,
not
that's
my
good.
fault. Berries.
Okay.
It's so hard. I better get my mouse. I need to get my mouse.
So should I give you my own question?
Okay.
Okay.
My mouse is finally here. My mouse has arrived. My mouse has arrived.
Are you ready for my own question?
No.
You're not ready.
Yes, because I need to get my mouse.
Okay.
Oh, my mouse. My mouse pad. I just need a light pen. I really want a light pen. It actually will be easy. Okay,
Yeah,
now this
right.
is hard. I'm using my mouse and look.
It's too big. It's too big. You don't have fine control over the text. It's too big. That's the only issue with mouse. So I usually I use my trackpad. My trackpad is what I use with my finger.
It's more harder for me.
Okay, so you're ready for my question.
Trackpad is what I've been using all this time.
Let me give you my question so that you tell me what I should do with it. Chewu, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, let me use one of your friends' name. Shemilore has a box containing 15 chocolates.
1,000.
Shemilore has a box containing 15 chocolates. And Marie has a box containing thrice what Seminole's box contains?
Rice.
Yes. Price what Seminole's box contains. How many chocolates do they have altogether? Did you get the question?
Yes. Do 15 times 3.
Okay.
And you get how much
I'm
Anne-Marie
helping you.
has. 3 times 5.
Okay, so go ahead. Let's see what you have. You're the one that will tell me when you have finished it. I'm not going to tell you. So we're watching you. Is that your final answer?
No.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay. You are correct. Well done.
I knew exactly what to do.
So you first calculated how many chocolates that Anne-Marie has, right?
Anne-Marie has. Yes.
And then you now added them together because the question said, how many do they have all together? Okay, that's a good one. You want me to give you another one?
Yes, but make it in thousands.
Well, I should make it in thousands.
Yes.
Oh, so these numbers are too small for you.
Yes.
Are you for real? Okay.
I'm very for real. You can do hundreds at least.
No problem. I'll make it in thousands this time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Marizu.
I didn't know that it was Marizu that I wanted to say. Okay.
I just didn't know. I wanted you to pick Marizu.
Okay. So Marizu and who am I? Who else am I? Or maybe we should only do Marizu.
Jide. Marizu and Jide.
Okay. So we'll do one for
Because they are
Marizu. We'll do
friends
one
for Africa.
for Jide, Jidechi. I think that's his full name, right?
Yeah. Kanyi Jidechi Kedin Fred Achonwa.
Okay, Achonwa.
I know his full name. Kanyi Jidechi.
That's a good one. That's you being intentional about your friends. Okay, so let's have it. So Marizu. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So Marizu travels in an airplane from Nigeria to the US over a distance of 1,345 miles.
45.
Are you there with me? Are you there? Yes, 1,345 miles. If he does this for a total of 350 times while he's in school, how many kilometers does he travel altogether?
1, 3, 4, 5. Times what?
350 times.
Oh my gosh. I may just stick to my trackpad.
Yeah, I think you should stick to your trackpad. It's my trackpad that I'm using too. Just use your finger carefully, be able to do it.
350. This is challenging. Actually, not too challenging. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, six. Oh, great. Now I can't even understand my own handwriting. Okay, there's 2.
Remember when I told you to draw lines? If you had drawn lines, you would have gotten to the bottom of this.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. 9. This is 0, right?
Yes, it's 0 now.
Ooh.
But
Okay.
I don't know. How did you now have 9 there? You said 2 plus 5.
3. Wait.
Is that
Hold
3?
up. I'm coming. Think. Meditate.
You're about to confuse yourself.
3 times 5.
And that's the last thing you want to do. You don't want to confuse yourself in the middle of an exam.
3 times 4. Because of this handwriting, 3 times 4. That's wrong. Yep. This is actually meant to be 0. So this is 0. Then now this 7. And 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3. The answer is 470,700. 470,750.
Are you very sure of that answer?
Let me see. Yes. Am I correct?
Okay, so let me give you a hint. Let's imagine that this was a common entrance question, right?
Yes.
And they were not really, maybe they were not really big on seeing your working, right?
Oh, great.
Can you tell me what you would have done?
And I've just done my working then erased it.
No, let me tell you what you would have done. You see that 350? that 350, you would have saved yourself that line that says 0000. So that time, you would have used that time to just focus on the other ones, because we know that at the end of the day, 0 will be at the end because of that 10. Do you understand? So yes, you are correct. Correct. 470,750. Very, very correct. Well done. But I just thought that, let's explore
Don't
the
just
possibility.
get out of here.
Okay, so do you have any other question on this topic?
But I did it for this for to be on the safe side.
Oh yes, I understand. It's perfect. It's okay.
Yes.
You have to do it if you are showing you're working, of course. It's okay.
Yes.
It's fine. All right. So those are the only topics you did in math.
No, I have 2 books, 2 math books.
For this term alone.
Yes, for all the 3 terms.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, okay. This is for
And I
the
haven't
whole
even.
term. It's third term, right?
Yes.
Okay.
One of my friends, you know
Okay.
Tony, right? Tony Piton.
What did she read?
Piton. Oluwatoni Michelle Piton. She's in my class. Do you
What did she
remember?
write?
She has 3 math books.
I remember her now.
3. Everybody else has 2.
Wow.
She has 3.
How do you think that happened?
I don't know. She said her handwriting was big at first, and I'm like, hey, her handwriting is so small, and she has 3 books, and me,
Really?
who has big handwriting, has 2 books. Just 2.
Do you know what I
one
think? I think
when
she
she
probably did a lot of practice inside her book.
No, she probably had a big handwriting. She probably had a big handwriting. I love to show her working. Maybe that could be why.
Personally, she does a lot of practice, maybe homework.
No, Mr. Charles, my thing is that I think she loves to do a lot of walking, and she has big handwriting.
Told me now that her handwriting.
Your voice is cracking.
Is that not what you just said?
Eh? What do you say? Oh, no. Oh, what happened?
Okay, hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, what happened? Yes, I can
Internet.
hear you.
I think that time you said that you couldn't hear me. That was what happened. It was getting disrupted.
Okay, you can continue to share. Please. Is it from my side or your side?
The internet.
Yes.
I think it's from my side. Okay. So what's the next topic after that?
Introduction to decimal numbers.
Okay, so for decimal numbers, what did you learn? You learned about addition of decimal numbers, right?
Multiplying in powers of 10.
Multiplying in powers of 10. Can you give me an example?
0.7643 times 100. I was very good at this.
You are very
I
good
got
at it.
everything.
So can you tell me
But
what?
it's because it was last 10, like
Can you
last
tell me?
2 10s.
Excellent. Can you tell me what you do in this case?
You do 0.7643 times 10 equals. Then now, since 10 has 1 0, you move the point. You move the point one step forward.
When you say forward, which direction, left or right?
Right.
Excellent. So that's forward. Okay. So let me ask you a question. What if this multiplication were division?
Then I'll do it times 1, which is still 0.7643 or 7.643.
No, did you hear my question?
No. Oh, yes. But they didn't teach us division.
Okay. Can I just tell you what
I think I know what you should do. I think I know what you should do. Move the point one step backwards.
Thank you very much.
Then I'll divide it by 1, which is
That's
still
it. That's all. That's it. Correct.
So the answer for 0.7643 times divided by 10 is 7643 or 0.07643.
Yes, thank you. 0.07643, correct. Okay, so I think we can.
Actually pretty easy.
Since you are very good at this topic, you can leave it and go to the next one. Okay, let me ask you one more question. What if this thing were 0.7643 times 1,000?
Oh, easy. Move the point 3 steps forward. And the forward I mean is 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. So what would the answer be?
Let me see. 764.3 times 1.
Okay.
Which is 754.3.
Excellent. Excellent. Beautiful. I like that. Okay. Good. So what's the next topic?
Multiplication of decimal numbers. That's what we just did. That's what we just did now. We did this topic for word problems on decimals. Excuse me, I need to pee.
Okay. Okay.
I can hear you while you're
give
talking.
Me an example.
Let me see. A boy received 72.85 naira for working on a farm. How much will be needed to pay 36 boys at the same rate? Just do 72.85 times 36.
36 boys, you said?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the first thing?
36 lads, I mean.
What's the first thing you would do in this scenario?
I said do 78.85 times.
I thought you said 72.85.
I'm not looking at my book, that's why. Because I went to pee.
Okay. Okay, so 72.
So when I come back, let me see.
You said you are still listening to me now, so there's no problem.
Yeah, 72.85 my times 36.
Okay, so what's the first thing you're going to do after that?
6 times start multiply. 6 times 5, which is 30. You write your 0, carry 3. 6 times 8, which is
what?
48. Then
Yes.
I'll
Why did
add
it take you a while
3.
to get 6 times 8?
I'll recite my 6 times 2.
You should know it by now. Okay, anyway, continue. So 6 times 2 will be what?
Hey, I didn't say you should do it. It's plus 3.
48
Then
plus 3. Is it not 51?
Yes, but you didn't wait for me.
Oh,
Then
okay.
I won't carry 5.
All right.
I won't carry 5. Then I'll 6 times 2, which is 12, and 12 plus 5, which is 17. Right?
Okay.
7, carry 1. Then I'll 6 times 7, which is 42. Then I'll add 42 plus 42 plus 1, which is 42 plus 1, which is 43.
Okay.
Then I'll skip. Then I'll move on to here. What under the 1? Move to under the 1.
Hold on 1 minute. Okay. All right.
Then I'll start multiplying by 3. So 3 times 5, which is 15. Right? 5 carry 1. Then now 3 times 8, which is 24. Right. Coming. Right. 5 carry 2.
Okay.
Then now put your decimal point. Wait, no, don't put your decimal point yet too.
Okay, next.
Then 3 times 2, which is 6.
Plus
6 plus 2, which is 8.
Okay.
Then now 3 plus 7, which is 21.
Okay.
3 plus 7 is 21 now.
3 times 7, okay.
Sorry. Hey, okay, if I am yoga, what should I tell you to do?
Okay. So you want me to write 3 plus 7 is 21, Abi? 1 plus 5 is
what? 7, you already know. 6.
Yeah.
Then now 7 plus 5.
Yeah.
Which is 12. Right? So carry 1. 5 plus 3.
8 plus 3 plus 6.
Plus 3. Sorry. 8 plus 3. 11 plus 1, which is 2, carry 1. Don't execute this one, no. Don't write another one because you can still use this one.
Okay.
Then now 1 plus 4.
Why is it taking you long to give me 4 plus 1?
3. Sorry, 5. Six. Then 2.
And then 2. Okay.
So your answer is 262,260.
262,000.
262,000. Sorry, 262. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. 26 points.
Hold on, Ugo, don't mess it up. How many decimal places are there in the top one?
One,
No,
3.
no, they're just two. The number of decimal places,
I
okay?
just farted.
The number of digits after the decimal point. So it's just 8 and 5, isn't it?
Oh, so it's 2620.60.
Yeah, 2,622 naira 60 kobo. Okay, so that's how
Well,
you read it. Yes. All right. Nice. Okay. So what's I think this is good. So you now understand that when you're doing multiplication for decimals, you first do it as if there was no decimal places. Then you now come to the answer and apply the total number of decimal places in both numbers, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so what's the next topic after this? We're almost done with maths now, actually.
Nope. I don't even think we haven't even passed first term.
But we're into second term now.
Nope. Wait, were we
All
on
this
more
is first term.
problems for the? Yes. Long division. We can skip some easy topics.
This is okay. So it's long division and easy topic.
Yes. We can even not do math. Should I tell you why?
Why?
Because we are already doing revision on all the topics everybody does not know.
Okay, so your teacher is only teaching you only the ones you guys do not know.
Yes, that's what we're doing revision on.
Why don't he just do the revision across all the subject topics?
I don't know.
Because right now, what if there's a topic that you don't know it? You know that it's possible.
Yes. But
So
I'm
that's
very, very sure I don't understand.
okay.
Wait. I don't know what the thing about square root is that I don't understand. It's just like I don't understand how the division is too hard for me.
Which one?
Wait, can you put long division in square root?
It's not square root. The sign looks different from square root sign.
But can you do long division in square root?
No, division and square root are two different things. Very, very different.
But don't you have to divide to get your square root?
Okay, yes. There's some techniques that show you how to do that, but it's not all. For instance, now a number like 169, there's nothing you can do. Division cannot help you to find the square root. I hope you know that.
How?
169.
Then how do you find the square root?
You just have to
Don't
know
tell
it.
me you the normal square root way.
Yeah,
I
no.
don't like walking.
You just have to know it. Do you know why? Because 169 is equal to 13 times 13. And 13 is a prime number. So there is nothing you can divide to give you 13. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Oh yeah, I do.
So that's the limitation. And that's where division is not really always a method for finding square roots.
I see we have exceeded 1 hour by 2 minutes. And we haven't even passed.
Okay, so
Can
this
we
one
do
we're going
1 term for each class? 1 term for each class.
1 term for each subject, you mean?
1 term for each subject. No, like
Okay.
when we start a class, we just finish that whole term. Then now end the class. Then when we now do class again, we will now finish the next term. Then now end the class. Then move on to another subject.
Okay. That
So
sounds
let me
like
check one.
good idea.
This
So
one.
what do you recommend? Since we're almost done with first term for me.
I think we're almost done. We got a new teacher in. Wait, don't it the next term? Hey, wait. The next term starts with this. The next term starts with order of operation. The long division. After long division.
Okay. So first term is over, right? Are we able to finish?
Measurement. But not yet. Almost after measurement. Yeah, we are at the last topic, which is measurement.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what's that measurement about?
Measurement is a method of finding how long or wide a distance is, how much a quantity is, or how heavy an item is.
Okay, so you are using rulers, you are using weights, you are using scales, stuff like that, right?
Yes, but
Okay.
we started off with tables of measurement.
Okay.
We started off with distance or length. Then followed with weight, followed by capacity, then time measure.
Okay. That's an interesting one. Okay, so technically we're done with first term, right?
Yeah. After this, we are done with first term.
Okay.
And this one was actually pretty easy.
Okay, so are you guys also
not too easy. But let me check.
Are you also reviewing
Weight
science?
conversion. No, we're not reviewing science.
The way you guys are reviewing maths?
Yes.
You're not
We're only doing it for math because math is like
really?
the hardest subject.
Who told you? It's what you guys are thinking. Maths is not the hardest.
Yes. For us it is. For what our brains are telling us it is.
Okay. Okay, so
I'm on my last page. Oh my god, what is this Mona boy doing?
Okay, so how many topics do you guys have in science first term?
First term, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 topics.
Okay, so can we start with them?
Okay. Bones and skeletons.
Okay. So what are the possible questions that can come from here? What bone
Yeah.
what bone protects the brain?
Oh, who doesn't know that?
Oh, okay. Which one protects the spinal cord?
Eh? Protect the spinal cord.
What are the bones that protect the spinal cord?
Ribs.
What did you say?
Is it true? What is it? What else? Wait. Thoracic cage.
The spinal cord?
Thoracic cage.
No. What you're calling thoracic cage protects the liver and the heart. So the ones that protect the spinal column,
the spine.
they are called the vertebrae. So you've heard of the vertebral column.
Oh,
Have you heard of that?
yeah. The vertebral column.
That's good. So now you remember.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, very yes. It's
Okay.
part of the axial skeleton.
Yes. That's right.
Then there's the appendicular.
Appendicular what?
Appendicular skeleton.
Okay. What's that about?
You know Muna O, right?
I know who.
Muna Okolo.
Yes, I know.
This boy, he missed notes. So then, while he was copying it, he had the mind to draw in my book, and it's my science book.
Why? Why did he do that?
I don't know.
Did you tell him that you didn't like it?
No, I just saw it now. He's so lucky.
Just forgive him. I guess he was just doing it because, test you. But forgive him.
Okay. I know the type of forgiving you could do.
Okay, so what other questions do you think they could ask you about the bones?
How the bones are functioned.
Okay, the bones and their functions. Good. Okay.
Yes.
So if I were to ask you, what is the major function of the whole skeleton, the whole human skeleton in the human body, what would you say? The whole function of this human skeleton? Okay, so maybe you've not thought about it. But can you
wait.
Yes,
I'm saying wait.
I'm listening.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something. I don't know. And I never thought of it.
It's for providing support, and yes, and giving your body shape. Okay. Gives your body
sometimes that was pretty easy. That was actually easy.
That's pretty easy, right?
Answer. Yes, it was actually the easiest answer. And how come I couldn't even think of that?
Of course. Guess what? We also alluded to the fact that the skeleton protects vital organs of your body, isn't it?
Yes. Bones are hard because they provide a strong framework that helps us stand upright, and other muscles and anchors muscles and organs.
Exactly. Exactly. Correct.
That
Very, very, very correct.
was an answer to a homework.
Mm, that's correct. That's correct. Well done. Okay, sorry.
It was
What's the next
actually
topic
an
after
answer
this?
to a homework that I used Google.
Mm, okay, that's good. So you see your research pays now. So that means that's an added knowledge to you.
And I got 4/4. Functions
Excellent.
of human skeleton. Shape.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And it even
What?
shows us what a human will look like without it having a skeleton. And it looks like
Oh,
a blob. Just like a
like a
human blob.
like like a
Just
blob,
like a
right?
blob. Yes.
Mm,
Then it now shows us what it looks like with skeleton.
mm,
Very muscly.
mm. Wow.
Very
That
muscly.
would look like a monster, right?
Humans without skeletons.
Mm. Okay.
Yes.
So
It's like
after
the human blob monster. Human blob. I can't even walk as a blob. I can't walk. Yeah, 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 yeah.
a blob that
I
can't
can't
move.
even turn into a blob.
Okay. So after functions of human skeleton, what's the next topic?
Skeleton and movement, joints and muscles.
Okay. All right. What was said about those?
Part of human skeleton. Axial skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of the skull, the vertebral column, the thoracic cage. Appendicular skeleton consists of the shoulder girdle,
Mhm,
the upper limbs, the pelvic
mhm,
girdle, and the
mhm.
lower limbs.
Okay.
Do you know the smallest bone in the body is found in our middle ear, and it's called the stapes.
Okay. The stiffs, you said.
Stapes. Stapes.
Oh, stiffs.
Yes.
Stiffs, right? Okay.
Yes. There are also, and the bones in the middle ear are malleus in 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 I really need to improve on my incus and stapes. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Do you think we really need Microsoft Paint again?
Microsoft what?
Paint. Because I'm
Not
not
really.
writing anything.
Yeah, I think I can stop. Maybe I should just stop sharing.
Wait, no! No, I can't. I'm not teaching anymore.
Okay. So
I
after the joints and skeletons, what next?
muscles. Bones are attached to muscles for movement.
Mm-hmm.
Tendons attach muscles to bones. Ligaments attach bones to bones. Bicep muscles are attached with 2 tendons. Tricep muscles are attached with 3 tendons. And
Mm-hmm.
quadricep muscles are attached with 4 tendons.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay.
Ew.
Nice.
Muscles are group of specialized cells, also called fibers. Their function is to produce force and cause motion, either locomotion, parts of the body, or movement within internal organs. Muscles can be put into three main types. Skeletal muscles attached to the bones. They are known as voluntary muscles because we have control over them.
Okay.
Smooth muscles are internal organs such as the liver, stomach, lungs, etc. They are also called involuntary muscles because we do not have control over them. Cardiac muscles, muscles of the heart, they are also involuntary in action. Joint. Joint is a junction between two or more bones or cartilages. It permits movement. Types of joints. Suture joints found in the skull. They are immovable.
Okay. Okay. That's correct.
Hinge joints. Why are you sounding different?
Am I sounding different?
Your voice is sounding darker.
Okay. Maybe it's because I'm using my earpiece now.
Oh. Is my voice sounding different?
No, 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 no.
Huh?
No.
Let me try switching off the Bluetooth.
No, don't switch it off. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Don't switch it off.
Hello?
Yes, I heard you. I said don't switch it off. I can hear you. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, I can hear you.
Second type of joint, hinge joint, found at the
Hmm.
knees, elbows, and ankles.
Correct.
Movement is only back and forth direction, like a door hinge.
Mm-hmm.
3. Ball and socket joint, found at the shoulder and hip.
Mm.
Looks like a ball fitted into a socket. It
Mm.
allows, like when like a Lego hand, right?
Mm. Good.
They now put like what a Lego hand looks like.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I know.
Then you now put like a
Um,
Lego rod. Lego rod.
okay. Yes.
If
Yeah.
it's like that, it's a bit like that.
Okay.
But this one is just like a no, yeah. This one is a bit. It's just like the thing. It's like, let's say there's a ball, like a ball. They now have a bucket, like
Mm-hmm.
a bucket, like
Mm-hmm.
a round bucket. They now put the
Okay.
ball inside. They are able to twist the ball around.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So that's what you would like in ball and socket joint, right?
Yes,
Yeah. I like that.
looks like a
But
ball fit, um, and it allows movement in all directions. I don't think that's
okay.
true because you can't turn your hip to go all the way around to look at your back without moving your legs.
Yes, yes. So I think they're not really saying that it will go in all
So
directions.
maybe, so maybe, oh, but your shoulder it does go in all directions.
Well, to a large extent, yes, yes, you're right.
But this one, it's like there's like when there's like and the ball, right? That example I gave with the ball. Maybe in the ball there's like two lines sticking out, from one of the sides. Then now you
Mm-hmm.
try and twist the ball. then it now only goes where it now only goes like turns sideways, and it now struggles very much to go and look at behind. That's how a hip is like.
So you can say to some extent that the shoulder has more degree of movement and freedom.
Yes,
Yeah.
than the hip.
Yes, I think I agree with that. I agree with that.
So
Okay,
next topic:
next topic.
animal and human bones.
Oh, okay. Did they tell you guys how in the human body?
Eh?
Did they tell you how many bones there are in the human body?
Let me check. Endoskeleton. Arthropods, insects, spiders, and crustaceans, and mollusks, snails, clams, mussels, cattle, cuttlefish, octopus, etc., have skeleton outside their bodies. This is known as external or exoskeleton. Worms, jellyfish, slugs, and animals. There's
What
a
kind of
section
skeleton?
on this. Well, I don't think it was the first time that we talked about this thing.
Okay.
I'm confused. I know we talked about it somewhere, but I don't think it's like we did it. Maybe he only told us about it. Maybe we didn't really write on it.
Okay. Okay. So you have an idea.
Yeah, it's 206, but in the bones of a baby is 300.
Good. So that's a good one. Okay. So what's next topic?
Next topic. Hello?
Yes, the next topic. Yes.
Hmm? What is it?
I said the next
Next topic,
topic.
guys. Next topic. Animals in their habitat.
Oh, interesting one. Okay. So what were you thoughts in that topic?
What is a habitat? This is a
Hmm.
place where plants and animals live naturally. Broadly, all habitats can be put into two main groups: terrestrial and aquatic habitats.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Terrestrial, aquatic. What next?
Aquatic habitats concerned with all living things that live in water. Terrestrial habitat means land habitat. Habitats can also be put into five types, which include forest, ocean, polar region, desert, and freshwater. Forest habitats. A vast area covered by trees and variety of plants. Some forest animals are lions, tigers,
Okay. What happened?
deers. Is there any animal like derer?
I'm not sure. Can you spell it?
Derer. I don't think
No,
so, right?
Deer. That's what you wanted to write. Deer. Did you get that?
Yes, Deeer.
No, just two E's, not three.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what does it say about habitat? Animals have some things that make them well suited to their habitat, right?
Then then deer, fox, tortoise,
Mhm.
snakes, insects, bears,
Okay, what's next?
bears, rhinoceros,
Mm-hmm.
monkeys, and hares, etc.
Okay. Okay.
Then our
Oh,
desert habitat,
mhm.
sandy, dry area with very little rainfall. It is
Okay.
hot during the day and cold at night. Examples of desert animals are camel, scorpion, Sonic the Hedgehog, tortoise, bandicoot,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So these are the things you can
orange,
see in a
and
desert habitat.
snake. Is there any animal like Oryx?
Okay. So, but I've forgotten.
Can you check Google?
Okay, yeah, go ahead and check Google.
Now I want you to check Google.
Oryx, you said.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Still loading. It says it refers to four species of large antelope in the genus Oryx, known for their long, straight, or slightly curved horns. So it refers to antelopes. Did you get that? Right there.
Yeah. Oryx is
Did
a
you get what I
genus of
said?
large hoofed mammals that belong to the antelope family. They are native to
Mm,
Africa and are known for their distinctive horns and adaptations to desert environments. There are several species of oryx, including scimitar oryx, gemsbok, and Arabian
mhm,
oryx. Oryx are impressive
mm,
creatures, and their ability to survive in harsh conditions is quite remarkable.
mm. Okay, I
So,
agree.
polar region,
Mm,
they are covered
okay.
with ice and snow. Examples of polar region animals are walrus, penguin, polar bear, seal, Arctic hare, and
Mm,
Arctic fox. 4. Saltwater habitat, oceans and sea. The ocean is a vast continuous body of saline,
okay.
salty water. It is the largest habitat on Earth. Wow. Example
Mm,
of
yeah.
ocean of ocean animals include whale, dolphin, seahorse, seal, octopus, turtle, otter, and cod, etc. Freshwater habitat. Naturally occurring body of water with little quantity of dissolved salt. Some examples of freshwater habitats are pond, river, stream, lake, etc. Examples of animals are fish, salamander, frog, toad, swan, duck, crane.
Okay. That's a whole lot of wow. I think this topic was interesting.
Yep, 2
Mhm.
pages because my science book is very long. Oh, flamingo and a number of insects. And that was the end of first term. Oh, do we still have time?
Let's see. Maybe we should just
I
end at
don't think so.
5 minutes.
Should I tell you why? My laptop is low. I don't really
Oh,
think we can.
and you don't have power, right?
You say we should. No, it will take. My laptop will die in the next 54 minutes.
Ooh. Okay, mine mine is lower than that, so I think we actually need to end. Yeah, but it's all good. Still, we're still able to do something, right?
No, when did you say we should end before?
I wanted to say in 5 minutes time, but I now looked at my battery. It's low.
And yours can't sustain 5 minutes.
Yes, it's low. So it already starts giving me that green sign on the battery. Like it's about to
Isn't
go.
it red sign? Isn't
Mine
it
is green.
red?
Mine is showing green, not red.
Green?
But that it's about to go.
Why green?
Well, that's how mine is.
Of all choice, green. Why not red? Is your laptop HP?
It is. But you know now, different versions and all that.
Different brands. Mine is an American brand.
Okay, so I think we can call it a day. I don't know when during the week we may have time to meet again, but if we don't, then I think it's still
I
okay.
think
We're
we
able
could meet probably on Friday
to. Okay,
because school ends at 1:30 on Friday.
okay.
1:30.
Let's see. Let's see if that's possible.
Fridays to Sundays.
Uh, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Let's see
Okay,
how that.
but usually it ends at 2:30. Wait, no?
Mm,
Yes, 2:30. Yes, 2:30. Because after
okay.
lunch, classes, then after classes, have snacks, then go for clubs.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Especially on Fridays. Now,
That's,
there was only club yesterday.
mm. When? Yesterday,
But
you mean
from
Friday?
sorry, yes, there were only clubs last week Friday. But from this week Friday to next week Friday, there are no clubs. I'm
Okay,
actually
yes, that's
sick.
that's because of the exam now.
And lower primary um have um have their sports and have clubs on from and they can even do their clubs before exam starts. But us for upper
Really?
primary, our clubs are only on Fridays. And Fridays is normally when exams start. and we don't think that is fair.
Sorry about
And I am
Sorry.
in upper primary.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry, it's fine. Just for now. You guys are
We
the
can't wait
bigger,
until next term.
to be in year 5.
Yeah, and that will be a 5 first term.
You guys will be the
Allah.
yeah.
Yes. But I don't know.
That's
I
good.
just like spending I just like spending the weekend with my friends. Just spending
Uh,
it with your brothers is just feels
different.
because you always yes it feels boring because they don't even talk. They don't talk to you. You only watch videos with them
Mm,
and when you're not meant to watch videos, you just talk.
true, true. I know how I can be. I know how I can be. But anyway, just have fun while it lasts. Whatever is in your hand, have fun while it lasts. Okay, I need to go
Okay,
now.
you too. Bye bye. What percentage is it? Is your laptop? Check the percentage. Oh,
It's
we already even stayed for 5 minutes just
wait, hold
talking
on, let me
about.
check. It's 16% now, so I need to take it off.
Oh, we already just stayed for 5 minutes.
Yeah, but it can go off anytime now. So I don't want that to happen.
Well, it goes off before it goes to zero.
It could,
I
it
think
could.
that the same
Hold
time.
on.
I think that the same thing that happens to my laptop. Because it will now show it's low battery, it's 10%. Then now
Yeah,
switch off.
yeah. That's the behavior. That's the behavior. Yeah.
So bye.
All right, bye.